Hey guys, what's going on? So Brian and I are in the garage, and Steve's garage. We're putting his winter tires on his Mercedes. So he typically runs 2 sets of tires on this car. I want to do a quick video. It's something you might want to think about if you live in a cold area like we do. We're up here in New England. There's a lot of snow. So it's the end of November, time to put tires on. We got a little snow last night. So typically what it'll do is Brian runs 2 sets of wheels and tires, and he has a summer set and a winter set. And the winter set are pretty aggressive. I'll show you what they look like. So this is a rear wheel drive car, but he got 4 tires that match all around. So here are the fronts, and then the back, they're pretty meaty. So they're aggressive for the snow. They're a winter tire. You can see it has the snowflakes on it. So he'll get more traction. So what this does is it kind of kills 2 birds with 1 stone. It extends the life of both sets of tires because you're not using them as much if you swap them out every few months, like run them 6 months. And they'll give you more traction in the snow because these tires are made for snow. I used to do the same thing when I was a kid. I had an 83 T-Bird, and that was rear-wheel drive, and I had a winter set that would run on that car for better traction, and I had a summer set of tires. And the salt and everything used to mess up the nice tires that you had, so you don't want the road salt to screw up your good tires, so you would do this as well. So it'll also keep your wheels looking better if you have a crappy set for the winter. So something to think about, and if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and we're going to get back to helping Brian out. Thanks for watching, guys.